so stay tuned.
Stay tuned. First, you have to take off the wheels. Then you just take this cover off. And then I spin.
Let it out. So there's 2 bolts and 3 screws.
There's 2, what are these called?
Bolts?
2 bolts and 3 screws. And you remove these 3 bolts. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there.
All right, so my boy took a break and I'm just gonna continue his work. I'm gonna remove the bumper now, because to remove the fenders, you have to remove the bumper. So stay tuned. This bracket right here has 2 studs coming out. 1 there and 1 there, and they're both 10mm. Then you gotta remove these 3, on each side has 3 clips. They just pop out. So you gotta remove those. And the same thing on the other side with the 2 bolts, and then make sure you disconnect your lights so you don't pull the wire when you're taking it out. And then on here, we take this off. It's like a little, has clips on it. This is an old car, so everything's falling apart. But you remove this, and then it's a cover, and then you remove these 5 clips over here. All right, so now we're gonna remove the bumper. We're gonna pull on this end, on the corner. We're gonna pull this out, and then we're gonna slide it out slowly. And there you go, that's how you remove a Supra bumper. And the exhaust to it. Beautiful intercooler. There's some chrome too. Here. And you can see my blow valve there. I got blue blow valve with a fresh intercooler. I need a bigger intercooler actually. That joint like 3-inch. Time will come. 1,000 horsepower. Okay, now we removed the headlight because they have these 2 studs. They go into the fender. So remove the headlight, you remove those 2 nuts. And then you remove this bolt right here that holds that bracket. And then you remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt that's inside you open the door and you can see that one, and this bottom one. And then you pretty much just slide it out. So that's how you take the fender off. And there's the old fender. And there's the new fenders going in. So stay tuned. All right, since we have the fender off, I decided to run my 0 gauge wire to relocate the battery to the trunk. And the way I did that, there's a hole right there. I don't know if you can see it. And I ran the wire out to there into this hole, and I cut around the grommet and slide it in there, and that goes into inside your car. So if you're gonna run a battery to the back, you gotta remove the fender so you don't drill no holes. That one's already pre-drilled for you. Tip of the day. All right, so I installed the fender just the same way I took it off. Pretty good fit, mate. Not perfect, but I'll take it. That's what happens when you buy carbon fiber or fiberglass. I put some nice hardware on there to hold it. And then I just installed the headlight, the new tinted out headlight to match the carbon fiber look. So that's how it's looking. Stay tuned to see the ending. And my boy over here polishing the crap out of this joint. Look at that, you can see yourself on camera.
You're
He polished the radiator and that board in the front, the crash bar, the fresh HKS blow-off valves, and now he keeps working on the intercooler in the front. It's my man's. Alright, so I put the headlights and they fit pretty good. They got a little bit of a gap there, but other than that, I'm happy with them. This side, same thing. It's carbon fiber, like I said, doesn't fit 100%, but definitely looks meaner than how we started.
Say welcome to today's episode.
Welcome to today's episode. Hey,
Hold on.
today we are
Go.
carbon fiber fenders
On my dad's
on
Supra.
my dad's Supra. On my dad's Supra. Today we'll install our fenders on my dad's Supra.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.